boy. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Man, it's the morning of, man. Well, no, it's not the morning of. It's the morning before. The morning before the anniversary, man. We about to get ready to do this thing, man. Gotta get my haircut. Finna go do that. And next, we're gonna run and get my haircut, man. Then come back, scoop up, man. Then we finna get on this road, man, to Pensacola, man. Pensacola, Florida, man. We're finna go out here, have some fun in the sun. You know what I'm saying? Be all on the beach and things like that, man. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Y'all already know what to do, man. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, man. Hey, if you're new to the channel, man, welcome. It's your dog, man. Mr. B-Lo, Mr. Ain't It, man. Also known as B-Lo Nation, man. You know what I'm saying? And we, you know, we keep it 100. We keep it pretty gangsta over here, man. You know what I'm saying? So, if that's what you like, man, keeping it 100, keeping it gangsta, man, real day-to-day life. You know what I'm saying? 9 to 5, normal people type. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, man. Like, comment, man. Comment, say something to me, man, so I can respond to you, get acquainted with you. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah. Y'all see my rolls over there sitting in the cut. Uh-oh. Y'all see my rolls over there sitting in the cut, man. Pretty, huh? But yeah. Let me get the boys together, man. Finna run, like I said, finna run to this barber shop before we leave out, and yeah. Yeah, man, I think we all packed up. We got that good liquor. Got the cake, got the glasses, got the cutlery, got the hat. Everything back there. Yeah, I think we good. I think we good, man.
Make a robot.
Now we finna get on this road, man. Get on this road. Make sure I close this. And a little Jeep. And let's see, I got that. Shades. Yeah, I think that's it, man. So I'll catch y'all on the road at some point. Yeah. Road to anniversary. That's where we at. Like on New Orleans side. Yo, man, we done made it, man. Check is that. Y'all can't see nothing out there, okay? Y'all can't see nothing out there. I can see the beach a little bit. See the waves coming in, all that good stuff, but it's cold in here, man. I'm really trying to let some of this air out this junk. But yeah, man, we here, man. We at Margaritaville, man. Margaritaville in Pensacola, Florida. And we chilling, man, you know what I mean? Show y'all what we got. Show y'all what we got, man. It's not finna be a problem this weekend, you understand? Look what we got. Boom. That ain't no filth, Jack. That ain't no filth either. Woo. And we got the champagne back there too. That's the anniversary cake. Got the anniversary cutlery. I gotta watch this. Anniversary cutlery, man. We got the anniversary glasses right there. Gonna wash those too. But
Yeah, man. We got it going on in Florida. So, like I said, we've been here we've been here like an hour or so. Man, we went downstairs and ate. We probably finna chill out. We finna drink good. Finna chill out. And, man, I really want to leave this open, but I don't know what kind of bugs they got flying around, man. So, I want to leave it open, but I don't want to leave it open. But man, I'm telling you, man, listen to these waves. Listen to the waves, man. I'm it's just relaxing. Like y'all can hear that. Let me pull make sure my camera tight before I be able to drop my camera, man. There's some people down there. They got flashlights and stuff on the beach. I don't know what they doing. Let's see if I can zoom in on. Yeah, I don't know what they doing. I zoomed in down on them though. I picked them up. Yeah, but like I said, y'all can't see them. We right here on the beach. Y'all gonna see in the morning though. So I'm gonna just do that. I'm gonna just bring y'all back in the morning, man. How about that? Bring y'all back in the morning so y'all can see everything. We'll do it like that, man.